Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today we're going to make pizza. And now I got the dough head and now I got all of the toppings.
Hareem, what toppings do you have?
I have sweet corn, peppers, pizza sauce, and cheese and onions.
So Hareem, what do you have to put on first?
Oh, the pizza sauce. I can't forget about that first. I can't come only a little bit on. Okay, guys, I put all of the pizza sauce on it. Now I'm gonna put the cheese on it. So let's get some, and we're gonna see you later when I put on the cheese on. Okay, now I put on the cheese too, and now I'm gonna put on the sweet corns. They're so floating.
So Hareem, just put the sweet corn all over it?
Yeah, and we're gonna see you later when we put on this. Okay, now let's put on the pepper. Oh, these are so weird. These are so green. And we're gonna see you this later when we put these on. Okay, now let's, that always falls for me. So 10, and another one 10.
How many more do you want, Hareem?
We're getting all of the cookies. So now we put it in the oven, and now please subscribe our video and comment down below, and please get it. Bye bye.